I have located Vendra. I'm working to free her as we speak.
Yep, so we're at the next part of this area.
This guy is not going down easy. Now, you okay?
So far, so good. The Nethers had me cornered for a moment, but I was able to give him the slip at the Meridian City Library. What's happening by you?
Oh, you know, just fighting an interdimensional monster the size of a spaceport.
This is Zircon's back.
Oh, darn.
She got enemies.
Oh, man. Trust me, this mission is pretty hard. And I mean hard. I'm desperate by using this. Man, this mission. But yeah, compared to all those other missions, this mission is kind of hard. And I don't just mean kind of, I mean completely hard as heck. And now I don't have Mr. Zircon anymore. Oh. This part. Hopefully I have good luck here. Oh boy. Yep, so, you know, just fighting a really hard monster to defeat.
What's your status? We need one more Nether to free her from the stasis field.
Yep.
I am on my way.
One more. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's easy peasy, just like that. Like, let me squeeze it! Oh, come on. Okay. Let's try this again. This time, hopefully, I can make it through here without any issues. I think I'm actually doing alright now. Oh, well. I like how Clank could do the thing with his, body like that, dimensionally. Yeah, that's how I completely messed up and wrong. But, what I mean is I like how you can make Clank basically fly. Darn it. Okay, let's try this again. Whoa. Okay, at least I almost got this nether beast through here. No! Man, I just raged like that. Oh, that was funny. Not funny. Not funny. Okay. Let's try this again. This mission's pretty hard, though. I'll tell you that. Ah. You know what? Might as well just kill myself with the laser now in the game. Okay, I'm finally close to defeating the Pardo. Ay, 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 ay! Okay. Last try. Good thing I finally did it.
Try this one.
Thanks. Got it! Let's just get out of here. I never want to see this place again.
Ratchet, I have Vendra. We will be there soon.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Aim, fire, jump, fire again. These are key combat moves for any hero.
This is pretty annoying. I'm gonna have to be quiet for this part though, because, you know. Turn this down a little bit.
Mrs. Zircon is back.
Yep, so heard no news on Jack 4, but Naughty Dog said they might make it. Although there still were rumors that Naughty Dog, although they did say that they were going to make a Jack 4 game for a while, which is very sad to hear. That was one of my earliest games. I mean, Crash Bandicoot was actually my earliest game, not Jack, but it was one of my earliest games, not my earliest game. Well, you get my point. At least I almost got this guy dead. Almost got him. Are you kidding me? This may save me. This may help me finally defeat him. Jeez, just die already, Nether Beast. Yes! Excalibur!